Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I will explain about some science questions which are most important question and answer for all upcoming competitive exams. So please study properly and do best. My first question is planet Uranus was discovered by whom? Name is William Herschel. British astronomer William Herschel discovered Uranus on 13 March 1781 with his telescope while surveying all stars down to those about 10 times dimmer that can be seen by the naked eye. One star seemed different, and within a year, Herschel realized the star followed a planetary orbit, and this planet was Uranus. The Folded Earth book was written by Anuradha Roy. Means Anuradha Roy is the author of An Atlas of Impossible Longing. This is another book. The Folded Earth book was written by Anuradha Roy. Her another books are An Atlas of Impossible Longing as well as Sleeping on Jupiter, which won the DSC Prize for Fiction 2016 and was the long listed for the Man Booker Prize 2015. Kindly note it down. Barometer was invented by whom? Barometer was invented by Evangelista Torricelli. Barometer is a device which is used to measure atmospheric pressure because atmospheric pressure changes with distance above or below sea level. A barometer can also be used to measure altitude. There are two main types of barometers, mercury and aneroid. Which rays is very helpful in long distance photography? These are infrared rays. Infrared radiations are emitted by the bodies all the times. Therefore, these rays are used to take photographs in the dark are infrared, not UV rays. In India, who laid the foundation of nuclear science? Homi J. Bhabha. In computer, what is the full form of UPS? Its full form is uninterrupted power supply. Which city is built on more than 100 islands? Its name is Venice. It is the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region. Venice is the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region. It is built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea. It has no roads, just canals, including the Grand Canal thoroughfare lined with Renaissance and Gothic palaces. Name the scientist who's discovered the Fahrenheit scale. His name is Fahrenheit. His full name is Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Name of vegetable which is also known as a flower. The correct answer is broccoli. It is a vegetable which is also known as a flower. Broccoli is a florid plant that belongs to the Brassicaceae family. The scientific name of this vegetable is Brassica oleracea. Cabbage and cauliflower also belong to this family, that is Brassicaceae. Until in 1930, what was the highest structure in the world? That was Eiffel Tower. But now the highest structure in the world is Burj Khalifa, standing at 828 meters tall. Highest electrical conductivity found in which element? The most electrically conductive element is silver, followed by copper and gold. Silver also has the highest thermal conductivity of any element and has the highest light reflectance. Kindly note it down. Thermometer made first by Santorio. is generally credited with having applied a scale to an air thermoscope at least as early as 1612 and thus is thought to be the inventor of the thermometer as a temperature measuring device. Planet Jupiter has how many moons? It has at least 79 moons, in which 53 are named moons and another 26 awaiting official names. So by combining all these, scientists now think Jupiter has 79 moons. Soda water contains what? Soda water is carbonated water. It contains water into which carbon dioxide gas under pressure has been dissolved. It is carbonic acid. The vast majority of carbonated water is sold in drink bottles as soft drink and beverages. Stainless steel invented by whom? It is invented by Harry Brearley. When India's supercomputer Param 10,000 was unveiled, the Param 10,000 was unveiled in 1998 as part of CDAC's second mission. Param 10,000 used in several independent nodes, each based on the Sun Enterprises 250 server. Each such server contained two 400 MHz Ultra Spark 2 processor. Its name of processor Ultra Spark 2 processor. The base configuration had three compute nodes and a server node. Some IT information. Foundations of biology concept given by whom? It is given by Jean Piaget. Which planet is commonly known as dwarf planet? We all know. Pluto was officially reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. The best known dwarf planet Pluto is also the largest in size and the second largest in mass. Kindly note it down. Pluto has 5 moons. The largest Charon is over half the size of its host. I'm repeating, the largest Charon is over half of the size of its host. Name of the suitable material to purify the water. It is chlorine or chlorine tablets used to purify the water. The invention of electric flat iron was successfully done by Henry W. Seeley. Before the introduction of electricity, irons were heated by combustion either in a fire or with some internal arrangement. An electric flat iron was invented by then an American scientist Henry W. Seeley and patented on June 6, 1882. Optical phenomena in the fringe pattern of CD is known as interference. Interference is the optical phenomena. It is in the fringe pattern of CD. Interference is referred as a phenomena in which two waves combine and form a wave of a certain amplitude. In 1911, George Claude invented what? He invented neon tube and neon lamp. As of November 2015, which country have most of supercomputers? United States of America. It has 199 supercomputers. Celsius and Fahrenheit show the same temperatures at 40 degrees centigrade. Celsius and Fahrenheit are two temperature scales. The Fahrenheit and Celsius scales have one point at which they intersect. They are equal at 40 degrees centigrade, which is also called as 40 degree Fahrenheit. Exchange particle in quark-quark interaction. Gluons means gluons are the exchange particles for the color force between quarks, analogous to the exchange of photons in the electromagnetic force between two charged particles. The working of rockets based on the principle of conservation of momentum. The pollutants which move downward with percolating groundwater are called leakages. Leakage can be defined as the liquid that passes through or leaches through a landfill and has extracted dissolved and suspended matter in it. Hasdu Valley in Chhattisgarh is famous for coal mines. Special theory of relativity was proposed in 1905. It is a part of the wide-ranging physical theory of relativity formed by the German-born physicist Albert Einstein. It was conceived by Einstein in 1905. Along the quantum mechanics, relativity is central to modern physics. Black hole is an object to be found in the sky. It is an object whose gravitational field is so strong that even light cannot escape from it. Astronomers believe that supermassive black holes lie at the center of virtually all large galaxies, even our own Milky Way. Astronomers can detect them by watching for their effects on nearby stars and gas. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment your answers or your suggestions and hit the bell icon to get updates. Bye bye friends.